Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today I have a new video and I just want to teach you guys how I made these smoked turkey collard greens, and if you guys are ready, we are going to get started. So to get started with this recipe, you are going to need 1 pack of smoked turkey, and you want to align it in your pressure cooker and then add some water, and this water has to cover the whole meat. And I'm going to add some bay leaves in there, and we are going to get started with the cooking. I'm cooking this turkey on, of course, pressure, and we are going to set it on high for 40 minutes so that way it can be tender and fall off the bone. And we're going to move on to our prep. So right over here, guys, I have 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, a half of orange pepper, and a half of a red pepper, a half of a yellow pepper as well. So you want to go ahead and cut it into medium-sized chunks, and after that, when you are done cutting, we are going to go ahead and start processing them or start blending. So right over here, I'm only using a half of an onion, and the other half I'm going to set it aside for later. So after cutting everything, we are going to move on with our blending. And over here, guys, I'm just adding all my cut vegetables into my food processor and blending them, and then putting them in the other bowl, as you guys can see over here. And I'm going to continue everything and move on to the next task. Since now everything was done, I went ahead and cut my last half of the onion, and of course I set it aside, and I'm going to move on to our cooking. So in this pot, guys, I am adding all my blended ingredients, and I'm adding some tomato paste, some chicken bouillon paste, complete seasoning, and smoked turkey seasoning. And you want to go ahead and just mix everything together and cook it for about 5 minutes. So while all our ingredients are getting mixed up, I'm going to continue adding more stuff. So right over here, I'm adding liquid smoke, and I'm going to continue mixing, and I'm going to go ahead and add garlic powder and continue mixing. And I'm adding 1 cup of tomato sauce, and I'm going to continue mixing. I'm going to let it simmer for a little bit. So right over here, guys, as you guys can see, the turkey is already cooked and done. So I'm going to go ahead and debone it to the best of my ability and just add all the ingredients into the sauce that we're cooking right here. So guys, I did drain out the turkey broth, and I'm using a little bit of that turkey broth, like half of a cup, and I'm adding some oil, some natural oils that came from the turkey broth into my ingredients. So before you add in your vegetables, you want to make sure that the water has been reduced, as you guys can see over here. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables. These are already cooked vegetables and already drained, guys. You have to super drain them. And if you want to learn how I make my vegetables, I'm going to link the video for the kale video, and you can see how I make my vegetables. So I'm adding some sesame oil to give it a little extra flavor. And I'm also adding, again, some collard green seasoning, because we want to make sure that we have the collard green seasoning in there for more flavor. So my last ingredient for this recipe was my onions that I had left over, and this is just some garnish and to bring out some color. So guys, this is how the vegetables look like. I just want to say thank you for watching this channel and for subscribing. I will see you guys next time.